Hello everyone, so hari ni Lisa nak buat this makeup look by Khir Khalid on Neelofa. Let's transform from this face to that face. Okay, first saya akan pakai skincare. This one is from Hada Labu. It's X macam toner tapi dia in lotion punya style. So you just pakai 2-3 drop and pat it on, so it gives you hydration daripada deep within your skin. Lepas tu, saya akan pakai this whitening ampule. So what it does is it helps to brighten up my dark spot. So saya just pat it on. Since ampule ni dia punya molekul partikel dia lagi kecil, so we pakai sebelum kita pakai moisturizer. Now we go to serum. Okay, serum ni honeybee ni is mainly untuk brighten up your skin tone, even up your skin tone, hydration and also brightening. So just pat, and now the last step is pakai moisturizer. Okay, moisturizer belief ni is actually a gel type, so dia easily absorb. So I'm combination, so saya pakai yang aqua bomb ni untuk hydration. Last but not least, pakai eye cream sebab kat bawah mata kita ni dia tend to macam kadang-kadang kalau kering, bila pakai concealer dia tak macam dia nampak dia apa creases. So just pat it on, pakai your ring finger sebab itu yang paling less pressure. Okay, now for lips akan pakai this Mungi lip. So dia akan bagi my lips macam plump sikit, hydrate sikit. So by the end of this masa nak pakai lipstick, lips kita dah moist. Macam tu. Okay, for that extra glow, saya pakai this Wonder Glow. Dia ada this gold particle in it. So some mainly focus just on the outer part of my face, and bahagian tengah Lisa pakai this smoothing primer, pore filling primer. Pakai sikit-sikit je and pat it into the skin. Kalau you pakai banyak, dia akan jadi tends to get dry and you punya foundation jadi flaky sikit. Now Lisa akan combine these two, Vienna and Stromboli from Sheer Glow, sebab dia macam like yellow undertone sikit. So I'm going to use my brush and blend it all over my face. Kalau korang lagi lama korang blend, dia akan lagi cantik finishing dia. Dia akan bersatu. Now for correcting my under eyes and bahagian-bahagian yang ada macam gelap sikit, I'm using this Makeup Forever punya concealer. Concealer ni dia macam, dia tak terlalu matte, dia tak terlalu concentrated, dia macam like medium. So it good for nak cover the darkness. Okay, untuk jerawat, you pakai something yang a creamier, more concentrated concealer macam ni and pat. Untuk bagi some macam lightness to the skin, saya pakai something yang radiant cornernya. Lepas tu dia lighter in shade, just in the middle part of my face, and then just blend it out. Okay, ni Lisa pakai brush yang kecil. So kalau korang nak pakai brush yang besar, lagi cepatlah blending proses korang tu. Okay, and set everything dengan my favourite Kat Von D loose powder. Lisa suka pakai puff sebenarnya, just pat. So dia macam masuk, dia macam set the foundation. And this finishing of this powder dia macam very natural looking, dia tak terlalu matte, dia tak terlalu shiny, and remove excess of powder tu pakai brush. Now prime the eyes. Pakai primer daripada this Urban Decay Eden. So you kena blend cepat-cepat sebab dia cepat kering. I'm taking the colour yellow daripada Morphe punya palette ni and simply apply all over your eyelid sampai dekat you punya crease, in the inner corner juga, sampai macam korang just letak je, tak payah fikir-fikir. Ala-ala editorial ni dia tak kisah pun. Tapi dia sambil just blending brush untuk blend sikit je the edges. Curl your lashes. Lisa akan curl 2-3 kali. Just make sure that every lashes is curled, and then you just pakai your favorite mascara. Untuk eyebrow saya pakai powder daripada Hope Girl ni. So I'm going to speed up my process. After that saya ambil this bronzer daripada NARS. Mula-mula Lisa letak dekat bawah pipi tu macam lepas tu bila dah blend apa sah macam Ranger. Lepas tu so I switch it with this ambient palette daripada Hourglass, the bronze colour tu, and just contour the face. Okay, if you rasa macam tak berapa well blended, just ambil your foundation brush. Apa yang lebih tu, just blendkan. Now, kita contourkan hidung sekali. Bila kita contour, alamak, terlebih pula. Aku ambil colour tu. Korang jangan risau, just ambil blending brush and some loose powder and blend, 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 blend. Or you can always use your concealer brush ataupun foundation brush yang ada excess product tu untuk blend out and tone downkan the contour. Now for blush, Isa ambil this fetish blush pada Urban Decay and pat it on your face. Macam biasa korang pakai blusher tu dekat apples of the cheek and blend, blend, blend. Okay, highlight, this is one of my favourite, this Pixie. So just mix do 2 shades and pakai dekat high points of your face, tempat yang kita nak highlight. And remove your lip balm. Lepas tu conceal sikit kita punya bibir sebab kita pakai nude colour. Now I'm taking Homeland. Okay, this is a brand from Thailand. Tak tahulah ada kat sini ke tak. So I'm using a brush. Just apply all over the lips. And then ambil, nak tone down sikit, saya ambil Maybelline punya colour Daringly Nude ni. Lepas tu rasa macam nak kena pale sikit lah. Ambil lah sikit concealer, pat it on, and voila, siap. I hope you enjoy it and thank you so much for watching.